Say Selenium class 14, arrays in Java and Java IO operations, input and output operations. Say in this session, we are going to discuss two topics. First topic, arrays in Java. Next, second topic, input and output operations. Input and output. Short form is IO operations. Okay. Observe Smriti Pandey. Arrays. In Java, everything is object, including arrays. Arrays are objects. Next, strings also objects. Except primitive data types, all are objects in Java. For example, if it is C language, in C language, arrays are variables. See, two types of variables. Basically, we have two types of variables in computer programming. In some languages, you can find three types of variables also. Okay, what are the important two types of variables? Scalar variables for storing one value at a time. General variables or scalar variables, term. Next, array variables. In VB script also, array is one type of variable, but in Java, array is object. Okay. Observe Smriti Pandey. Observe Java arrays. Java arrays. Okay. In Java, array is an object that holds a fixed number of values, depends on size of the array, of a single data type. Say in VB script, we can assign multiple types of values in an array, but here single type. Suppose array is integer type array, you can assign integer type values only. Suppose string type array, string type values only. Getting this point, Vijaya?
Yes, sir.
Say in Java, array is an object that holds a fixed number of values of a single data type. Means if you create integer type array, assign integer type values only. String type array, string type values only. Character type array, character type values only. Suppose in VB script, if you create array, you can enter some integer type data, some string type data, etc. But Java is programming language, formalities, it won't support multiple types. Okay. In Java, array is object that holds a fixed number of values, fixed number of values of a single type, okay. Next point, the length of array is established when the array is created. The length of array is established is established when the array is created. When the array is created. Okay. Next, array length is fixed. Index starts from 0. Suppose 10 items. Array size is 10. 0 to 9 index. First value index 0. Last value index n minus 1. Suppose in this scenario 10 minus 1, 9. See, array size is or length. Synonyms in this scenario. Array length is fixed. And index starts from 0. Observe Vijaya. Vijaya, can you understand the concept?
Yes. Yes,
observe the practical concept. Contribute. Declaration of arrays. Observe Vijaya. I will show 3 methods, 3 different syntax, but you can use any one of these methods based on your convenience, based on your requirement in Java program, you can use. See, observe first method. Syntax. First method, syntax. Data type. Just a minute. Data type.
Array name.
Array name. Square brackets. Equals to, not equals to, semicolon. Just declare array. Or you can say create array. Here just we declared with the name. Yes, no size definition, no value assignment. Later we will do. Next, observe Vijaya. Next step, array.
Array
name equals to new keyword. Data type of size. This is defining size. Define size. Next, third step, array name equals to array name, assign values one by one. Index equal to value. Assign value. Here assign one by one. Assign values one by one. This is the syntax. Observe Vijaya. Example. Suppose I am going to create integer array. Suppose data type int a square brackets, semicolon. Next,
A equal to
A equal to
new
new int. Did I use that one? Data type. Okay, new data type. Okay, new int of suppose some 3. Next, suppose first value a of 0 equal to enter integer type data only. Just a minute. Next, a of 1 equal to 20. Just a minute.
2.
Okay, this is space optional. Space optional. Next, a of 2 equal to 30 semicolon. Over. See 3 values. Size is 3. Index starts from 0. 0, 1, 2. Okay. Suppose I am going to perform one mathematical calculation. Observe. Suppose SYSO control space enter. Just a minute. Suppose A of 1 plus A of 2. A of 120 plus 30, it will show 50. Observe Pavani. Pavani, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Balasubramanyam. Can you hear me, Balasubramanyam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool.
Able to hear you.
Okay. Run the program. It is showing 50. Showing 50.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. This is one example. Next, I am going to show different types of examples. Concentrate. Vijay, you put mute. Smriti Pandey, come.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Sir,
Ah,
that we should always give as new, sir. That means it is a syntax.
yes, syntax.
That is how we need to define.
In this,
New means what that actually.
new is a keyword. We cannot argue. For creating objects also
Keywords.
we use keyword na.
Correct. Yeah, sir.
That is Java keyword. They didn't define why new they use it like. That is Java keyword.
Okay, sir.
Keyword.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. And one more thing. In this method, we need to use this syntax only. Another methods available. If you follow those methods, then you no need to use you no need to follow this syntax. Next, observe Smriti Pandey.
Yes, sir.
Pandey, observe.
Yes.
Suppose A of 0, suppose A of 10 equal to 40. Observe Smriti Pandey. It is not showing any syntax error na.
Yes, sir.
No syntax error. Why? System grammar is correct. But A of 10 out of range. Our size is 3, 0 to 2 only. 10 means if we have 11 size value is 11, then you can use. But it is not syntax error, runtime error. Try to observe, run the program. exception in main. Observe. Array index out of bounds. Runtime error na.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing, observe Pavani, in computer programming, generally we think about two types of result, pass, fail, but hard one also there. That is error. After rectifying the error, then you can get pass or fail. Usually our computer programs show either pass or fail like output. If output is there, sometimes you may have error type result also, isn't it? Observe, this one is uh, assign values to elements that more than the length of array, that more than the length of array. It leads to runtime error. Now next, guide me Vijay. Okay, Pavani, I will call you later. Guide me Vijay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I'm removing this one. Just a minute. Suppose A of 1, 10 only.
Sir, 20, sir.
20, good. 20. Observe Vijay, here array size is 3. You can assign 3 values. Index starts from 0, 0, 1, 2. Suppose I'm not going to assign all values, only one value. Is it any error or will show?
No, sir. It will show correct result only,
Will
sir.
show correct result. Why? You
Because it
assign
is
all the elements or not, that is secondary. Suppose if you assign elements that more than the length, then it will show error. This time, no error.
no error, sir.
No error. What is this concept? Assign values to elements, uh, values to
Less
some
than the
elements only.
length of less or some.
Some elements only. Less only. Suppose if you, okay. Next, I will show one syntax error also. Earlier, no error result. Next, runtime error also we discussed. Next, observe Vijay, this time syntax error. Suppose A of 3, suppose A of 0 equal to 10. Next, A of 2 equal to 1.23. Correct size only, but invalid data type. It is showing syntax error. It won't execute. If you execute, error only. This is error. Okay, na Vijay? Syntax error,
Yeah,
system grammar error. It is
got it, sir.
showing. Okay. Say in this example, we discussed pass or fail result criteria with no error. Next, syntax error. Next, runtime error also. Now, okay, I will call you later, Vijay. You come. Bala Subramaniam, guide me for the second method. Bala Subramaniam.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second method. Second method. Okay, put mute Bala Subramaniam. You come, Vijaya. Bala Subramaniam side some problem is there.
Yes, sir.
This time only two steps, Vijaya. In the first method, 3 steps. This time, 2 steps. 2 steps. Data
Data
type,
type,
square
square
brackets,
bracket,
array,
name,
array name, different syntax. New, new,
data
data type of means open brackets,
size,
size, semicolon. What is the usage? Create array with length, with length. In the next statement, array name of
of
just a minute, of index,
index,
array name of index equals
value,
to value, semicolon. What is this concept? Assign
assign
value. Like this, you can assign values one by one. Observe the example. Suppose array,
integer,
observe, array name. What is the syntax? First data type. Suppose
yes,
int square brackets array name equal to new int of
new,
suppose 3 size. Next assign value. Suppose
of 0,
a of 0 equal to,
equal to
suppose, just a minute, suppose some 10, a of 1 equals to 20, suppose a of 2
30,
equal to some 30. Next, suppose a of 1 plus a of 2,
50,
50. The expected output is 50. Run the program, 50. Just a minute. Okay. Now I will call you later, Vijaya. Come, Sirisha. Sirisha. Third method. Third method. Say in first method, 3 steps. Second method, 2 steps. In this third method, only single step. Only one step. And one more thing. You can create arrays in any of these 3 methods. No restrictions. But based on your convenience only you can use them. Otherwise, no issue, but based on your convenience only you use. Observe the third step, data type, data type, next square brackets, array. Just a minute. Array name equal to open curly braces, next value 1. Suppose if value is integer type data, use direct value. Suppose string type data, use double quotes. Character type data, use single quote. Follow the Java syntax rule. Syntax rules. Okay, value 1, value 2, value 3, value, just a minute, 4, like this, semicolon. Observe, Sirisha, in this syntax, single step only. Here only we declared variable, means variable name is there, size also there, values also there. Size based on values. Suppose I entered 4 values. I am entering 4 values. Size is default 4 only. Suppose entering 10 values, 10 only. Size is by default. Okay, now Sirisha,
Yes.
any confused?
No, sir.
Observe.
It's clear.
Create array and assign values. If you assign values, automatically size will be defined or fixed.
Define.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, just a
Example.
minute. Suppose example. Observe the example. Example. Int a square brackets, space not mandatory, square brackets equal to open curly braces 10 comma 20 comma. Here also rules same. Don't suppose we are going to create integer type array. You enter integer type data only. If you try to enter other type of data, it won't accept syntax error, so you cannot execute this program. Suppose 30, 40, 50, like this, semicolon. Suppose SYSO, control space enter, A of 1, A of 1 plus A of 3. Sirisha, A of 1, A of 3. What is A of
20
1?
plus
First value 10, 0. Second value 120.
20
Ah,
plus 40. 60 is the output, sir.
60. A of 3 is 40. Yes. 60 is the output. Run the program. 60. Now, okay, now Balasubramaniam, all these 3 methods, any confusion?
No confusion.
Okay, cool.
Sir,
Ah,
could you show the output one more time, sir?
who is
So
asking?
syntax.
Could you show the program one more time, sir?
What is the problem?
Sir, in the syntax we have given the data type and the square brackets and the array names.
Yeah, that's what.
Here we have given, in the program we have given in
Okay, okay.
integer.
It will accept. It will accept both.
Oh,
Both.
okay, sir. Okay.
It will accept.
Okay, sir. Got it.
But you follow our syntax only. What I told, square brackets array name. This one only. It will
The
accept.
data type you have put brackets.
Pardon?
Even I wanted to say, but
Okay, both are correct.
it's
Both
okay.
syntax are correct.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now observe Srisha, just a small comparison, just to get idea. Suppose if it is VB script, if it is VB script, you can enter different type of elements. Observe, just idea. In Visual Basic Scripting Edition, here no data type specification. In VB script, array also variable type, array variable for storing series of values based on the size of array. Suppose using dim statement, we declare scalar variables as well as array variables. Suppose dim a of 4, a of 4, here, just a minute. We can assign 0 to 4 values, some different. Observe, a of 0, 0 to 3 values, 0 to 3 values only. A of 0 equal to, suppose, 10. Actually it is integer type data, based on the usage of data it will consider. Here no formalities. Next, suppose India, actually it is string type data, string. Next, a of 2, just a minute, a of 2 equal to 1, 2.34. It is double type data. Next, a of 3, equal to short codes or hash codes. Just a minute, 10/10/2010. Just a minute. In Java, suppose int uh, square brackets a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Fixed number of and similar type of elements. Okay now, Sirisha, any confusion? VB script versus Java in case of arrays?
No, sir.
Okay. Now observe Vijay. Vijay, one more topic, Vijay.
Sir.
Create, contribute, creating or declaring different types of arrays. I will show an example. Creating different types of arrays. Different types of arrays. What are the different types of arrays? Just I will show. Here you can use either first method or second method or third method. Okay. For reducing the code size, I am going to use third method, but no restriction. You can use second method or first method also. Observe, first I am declaring integer type array, int square brackets, just a minute, a equal to curly braces, suppose 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50 semicolon. Next, character type. Char square brackets, suppose B equals to open curly braces, suppose single letter A, next B, next Z, next not only this one, you can use numbers also, suppose 1, special character also, close this one, semicolon. Here not semicolon, comma. Observe Vijay, this is character type. Next, string
Yes,
is
sir.
class, predefined class. String square brackets, suppose C equal to open curly braces, unified functional testing, UFT, next Selenium, next RFT, just a minute.
Java,
Not
sir.
only alphabets,
1, 2, 3, sir.
1, 2, 3, not only alphabets. Next, double,
Double or floating, sir.
double, suppose D equal to open curly braces, 1.234, comma, 2.345, comma, 3.456, comma, suppose 67.89, close curly braces, semicolon. Next, Boolean. You can use short, byte also, long also, but usually we use integer enough in our test automation. Boolean, square brackets, E equal to only true or false. Reserved words, true, false, false, true, like this, semicolon. Just am going to print. Just a minute. Observe, Bhairappa. Array of integers. Name. Array of term. Array of integers. Next, array. Array of characters. Array of characters. Next, array of strings. Array of strings. Next, this one, array of decimal point values. Array of decimal point values. Next, last one, array of logical values.
Boolean.
Array of Boolean, or you can say logical values. You try to run this one, it won't show any runtime error and no output also. We didn't use any output. For example, display SYSO control space enter A of 2 Vijay, A of 2. Next, just a minute, SYSO control space enter uh, D of 3,
Sir, B, sir. Okay, 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 sir.
D of 3. What is the first output? A of 2. Just randomly I used two outputs.
30, sir.
Ah,
First is 30, sir.
first is 30. Okay.
67.89, sir. Second one.
67.89. 67.89. Okay. Try to run the program. Run. Okay. Okay, na Smriti Pandey, are you following or any confusion?
No, sir, I'm good. It's clear.
Cool.
Thank you.
This is creating different types of arrays. And observe Smriti Pandey, I will show one or two operations on arrays. Yesterday we discussed some string operations. Today some array operations. But in predefined methods chapter, again we will discuss methods on strings, string methods, array methods, character methods, and number methods. Okay, in this chapter only one or two important operations.
Right.
Observe Smriti Pandey, copy values from one array to another. Copy value, copy array, copy values from one array to another. This concept is copy array. How to copy? Observe. Observe Smriti Pandey. First, create one array. Suppose int square brackets array 1 equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 semicolon like this. Suppose 5 elements 0 to 4. Example, suppose I want to copy int square brackets array 2 equals to array 1. Then size also based on that first array. Observe Vijay. We are just declaring array 2 and copying values from array 1. Okay na? Suppose find
Okay,
the
sir. So it
length
should
of
be of the same data type, sir.
Pardon?
It should be of the same data type.
Same data
It
type.
should be, but
Yes.
condition, sir.
Same
Okay, sir.
data type. But size, it will take that destination size as it is.
Okay, sir.
Same data type, no other data type.
Okay,
Try
sir.
to find the length. Just a minute. Try to find the length of that array. Length. Suppose first array 1 dot length. Length is property. What is the output? It has to show 5. Suppose, just a minute. SYSO control space enter array 2 dot length, just a minute, 2 dot length also 5. Next, observe Vijay, SYSO control space enter, array 2 of array 2 of 2. What is the output? Array 2, array 2.
3.
3. Run the program. Run the program. 553. Yes, 553. Okay, 3 outputs na 553. Okay na Balasubramaniam?
Sir.
And one more thing, you observe Pavani, come Pavani, I want to print all elements from second array or first array, both are same. Okay, take new array. I want to print all elements an array using for loop. Say, observe, print all elements an array using for loop. Pavani. Next, same output Pavani, another usage, print all, just a minute, print all elements, an array using what is that one? Enhanced for loop. Enhanced for loop.
Sir, sir, here also can we do the same thing, sir? Like while like 1 to 10 numbers, and if you want to accept 4, can we print all the 1 to 10 except 4? Like that also we can do here, sir, like using condition statement.
Using?
Inside array. Sir, like we had done the examples, no, sir, like printing 1 to 10 except 4.
You
If
insert
I is
condition.
Okay, that's what I was asking, sir.
Yes, you
can
can
use here
insert
also, no, sir,
condition. If
condition
you know
statement.
the value, you insert condition. If that element value equal to 4, if not equal to 4, then print. Means it will print all values except 4. Example.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Pavani, come Pavani. Print array to all elements. Elements, what are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4, 5. Just a minute. Sometime these three add block comment. Okay. You
What?
come. First.
For loop.
For.
For.
Tell me.
And then we had come start value array.
For. Suppose for
A of
index,
0.
Use I. You know, index starts from 0,
0.
semicolon, I less than or equal to
5.
5. How you know 5? See here 5, okay. Suppose you are reading data from Excel, that time you don't know the that one. Use syntax. Array 2 dot length. Length 5 means 0 to 4 na.
Okay, sir.
Here equal to not required. Can I any confusion, Pavani? Suppose if you
No,
use
sir.
5 size, don't use direct value. In this scenario, you know the size. Sometimes you may not know the size. That time, length it will calculate internal na.
Okay, sir.
Next, I.
Sir, I have a question.
Just a minute.
Here we can use. Okay.
Ah.
Sir, here we can use I less than array one dot length also. It's same.
Pardon? I array.
Array one dot length.
One dot length, two dot length. Both are same arrays na. You can use either one or two.
Yeah. Okay.
Anyone.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Anyone. Just I am using new array. New array also copy of first array na. I plus plus. Continue, Pavani. All of you put mute. Vijay put mute.
Ema.
Pavani, you also put mute. Preeti Joshi. Continue, Preeti Joshi. Preeti Joshi.
Output together.
Array.
Yeah. Array 2.
Array 2. Jyoti. Vijay put mute. Vijay. Jyotirmai.
Yes, sir.
Array. I want to print items one by one. Array of.
Yeah. I.
Good. That is index. First time 0, second time 1 like that. It has to show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, observe Vijay. Here if you don't want some value, you can write condition. Next. Come Vijay. Okay, Jyotirmai. Vijay. I want same output. Yes. 1 to 5. Not 1 to 5. Print all elements from an array using enhanced for loop. Enhanced for loop. Yesterday we did that one. Observe. For suppose int declaration num colon suppose array 1 or 2 open curly braces SYSO control space enter num. Run the program. Observe Vijay. First 1 to 5 using for loop, general for loop. Second 1 to 5 using enhanced for loop. Different ways available. You can use any one, not both. Okay na? Vijay not responding. What about you?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, cool.
Got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Just a minute. Now, next time, Vijaya.
Yes, sir.
This time copying all elements. Next, I want to copy particular element. Copy particular element. Just a minute. Copy particular element. Copy particular element, Vijaya. Suppose go to the program. Int array. Int array 1 equals to square brackets 1, or you can say curly braces 3
array 1
4
brackets
5 semicolon. Just a minute. Syntax error. Square brackets Next, int
int
square
square
brackets
brackets array 2
array 2
equal to array 1.
equals to
Array
here observe I'm going to copy particular item, not entire array. Entire array. Observe array. Actually, in our test automation arrays limited use. For reading Excel, we use general arrays. This much clarification or classification also not required for our test automation. Just understand. Array array 2 or array 1 array 1 array 1 of 2 close curly braces semicolon means it will copy that first one it will copy the one, but where it stores in zeroth position. Zeroth position of the SYSO control space enter array of not 2 0.
Yes, sir.
0. What is the output?
3.
3.
Array 2 no, sir.
No,
Yes.
it's 3. Yeah, sir.
Run the program. 3. Next, Vijaya, I want to store in fixed. Just a minute, sorry. I want to store in fixed position. See, we are copying second element and it's storing default from the beginning na, 0th index na.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I want to store in second position only, means index 2 only. Index 2 only. Observe int square brackets array 1 equal to open curly braces 1 2 3 4 5 close curly braces semicolon. Next, observe Vijaya. Array 2 of 2 just defining equals to array 1 of 2 semicolon. Any problem? Array 2 of 2. First we need to define the size of array. Define the size of 2 array, otherwise it will show error. Int square brackets array 2 equal to new int suppose 4 or 3. First define the size, then it is accepting. Next, array 2 of 2. Run the program. 3. Observe Vijay, any problem?
No, sir.
And if you try to display first one, what is the 0th index? I think it has to show default one. Integer default value. What is that? 0. Just a minute. 0 na? Integer default value.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Jyoti here. One doubt here. In array 2 equal to new int brackets 4, why did we do that?
Size, we need to define the size, otherwise how can it takes elements? First, that is a mandatory syntax.
Okay.
See here,
So,
if you don't define size, if you copy second element from another array, it will store in first position 0 index, it will create internally. Suppose you want fixed position, suppose third position, third index, fourth index. That time you need to specify the size, otherwise it will show syntax error.
Okay. So new int is the variable.
What is variable? New is keyword, int is data type, size, defining size.
Oh, if only we are defining size. Okay.
Defining
New
size for array 2.
Okay, sir. Okay, now got it.
Okay, cool. Just a minute. Just a minute. Say next. One small assignment to you, Vijaya.
Yes, sir.
One assignment to you. Assignment. Assignment to Vijaya. What is that assignment? Print. Two-dimensional array, 2D array, two-dimensional array. Earlier only 1D array. This is 2D array.
Yeah.
2D array. Actually, in our test automation, Java supports up to 60 dimensions. After 4 or 5 dimensions, mad human brains can't understand that flow. But, and one more thing, our test automation point of view, single dimension array is enough in order to read data from tabular format like Excel. We use single dimension array. 2D, 3D array is not required for us. So you no need to focus. Print two-dimensional array using nested. Suppose for single dimension we used single for loop. This time use nested for loop. For within for loop. Observe assignment.
Okay.
Yeah, int square bracket, this is single array. Double square bracket means 2D array. This is syntax. Array equals to open curly braces, again open curly braces, 10, 20, 30, 40, close curly braces, next comma, open curly braces, suppose 15, 25, next 35, 45, like this, close one more, semicolon, close one more, semicolon. Okay na Vijaya? I provided one array na.
Yes, sir.
You create this array, integer 2D array, then print using nested for loop. We already discussed how to print array using for loop. Okay?
Okay.
Next, one small topic regarding this one. Just I will show advantages and disadvantages of arrays. All of you put mute. Advantages and Just a minute. Disadvantages. Advantages and disadvantages of arrays. First, advantages. Advantages. Observe Jyotirmayi, using arrays, we can optimize the code. Data can be retrieved easily. Using index, we can retrieve. We can get required data using index position. Next, disadvantage, we can store fixed number of elements only and it doesn't change its size during execution. Observe Jyotirmayi, in VB
Yes,
script
sir.
we have dynamic arrays also. Static arrays
Oh,
are general arrays whose size is fixed, but dynamic arrays whose size may vary throughout the execution. But here no dynamic arrays. Getting this point?
oh. Yes, sir.
Observe, using arrays, using arrays, all of you put mute, we can optimize, we can optimize code. Data can be retrieved easily. Data can be retrieved easily. Next, we can get required data. We can get required data using index position, using index position. Next, small drawback, disadvantages. We can store fixed number of elements only. We can store fixed number of elements only. Array size, it doesn't change its size. It doesn't change its size during execution. ఓకేనా జ్యోతిర్మయి?
Yes, sir.
And one more thing, Jyotirmai, one more topic is there related to arrays. Actually, in our test automation, we never use that feature, but at the end of Java module, I will explain that concept. Actually, this one, Java developers only use that feature. Our test automation point of view, general array enough, but I will explain that second one, array list also at the end of our Java module. Just remember, today arrays only.
Okay, sir.
In future I will explain. Just remember this concept. Java array is static, size fixed, is static data structure, is static data structure. And observe Jyotirmai, Java list array list, array list. But in our test automation, this is not required, but I will show in Java module, I think at the end of the program, after 4 or 5 classes.
Okay.
Java array list is dynamic. Just remember, interview
Okay.
point of view, dynamic data structure. Data structure. But here in Java arrays, array size fixed, it can't change. But observe small comparison, Vijay, small comparison. Observe that VB script. VB script. In VB script, you can find in VB script, you can find this one, static arrays, dimensional arrays, and dynamic arrays also. Observe Jyotirmai. Dim,
Yes, sir.
dim A, dim A. What is this one? Scalar variable. In the same line,
Scalar.
in the same statement, you can declare scalar variables and array variables. Next, B of 4, it is just a minute. B of 4, it is array variable, comma, C, blank parenthesis. Size is undefined. Later, we will use the size. This is dynamic array. Its size may vary throughout the execution. Next, D, suppose 4 comma 5. In this 2D array, first value indicates rows, second value indicates columns. In tabular format, row is superior. Okay, VB script also supports up to 60 dimensions, but not required for our automation, only for development. In development also, rare requirement. Observe, just understanding purpose, observe Jyotirmai. A is, you can say, variable, but term is scalar variable. Or you can just say variable or scalar variable. Okay. For storing one value at a time. Next, B is array. Array variable. Array variable. But in Java, array is object. Next, C, dynamic array. B, static array. Dynamic array. Next, D, two dimensional array, 2D array. Two-dimensional array. Observe Vijaya. Observe Vijaya.
Yes, sir.
Basically, in just general topic, awareness required. In computer program, basically we have two variables, scalar variables for storing one value at a time, array variable for storing series of values at a time based on size of the array. But that is in general programming, C like structured programming. In object-oriented programming, arrays object, but you can use arrays as like array variables, as like array variables. Say here in VB script, scalar for storing value, one value or multiple values, variable scalar variables, next array variables, next observe Jyotirmayi, here no array list type, equivalent feature is dictionary object. Vijay Bhairappa, do you heard this one with dictionary object in VB script?
Sir, heard about it, sir.
And one more thing, observe, this is Visual Basic Scripting Edition. Next, Java. Next, important one, Perl. For example, I know Perl also, but just comparison. Observe, Vijay, here also scalar variables, or you can say just say variables, enough. Scalar variables, or just you can say variables. Here also just variables. Here arrays are not variables, but you can use for storing multiple values at a time based on size of the array. Next, for dynamic thing, array list. Observe Jyotirmayi, here also same. In Perl also, Perl written in C, inspired by C, but it also supports some OOPS concepts. Scalar variables. Next, array variables. Next, associated arrays, or you can say hash variables. Just remember final conclusion, Jyotirmayi. This array list dynamic data structure of Java is equivalent to dictionary object in VB script, associated array or hash variable in Perl script. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today I have some other meeting. Tomorrow we'll continue the IO operations, etc. I'm going to close the today's session. Any queries, Balasubramaniam? Any queries regarding this today's session? Today we discussed arrays. Arrays.
No queries, sir.
Okay, cool. Welcome. Vijay, any queries regarding this today's session? Arrays in Java.
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Jyotirmayi Reddy, any queries?
No queries, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Pavani.
No query, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Preeti Joshi.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Sirisha.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Smriti Pandey. Smriti.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Vijaya.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Okay. We will meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.